Hey comrades, welcome to Purus Korancha, the one and only place where you get positive vibes about the negative things surrounding us. So, on this 74th Independence Day, I thought of showing you two versions of Indians who exist. Like, exactly not Indians, I'll show you the incidents. Let it be a pandemic, or natural disaster, or a protest, we'll have Sikh to our aid. They ensure that everyone eats and no one sleeps empty stomach. And that is the main priority of Sikh community, who have always been around to lend their helping hand. Whether it is bushfires in Australia, the ongoing COVID-19 crisis, and the protests in America, Sikh groups have always found their ways to serve the food and necessities to the needy. Clashes between off-pro and anti-CAA protesters in Jarfabad on February 23, 2020 turned into communal violence and spread across northeast Delhi over next 4 days. 42 people, including a policeman and an IB personnel, lost their lives, while hundreds were injured and the shops, houses burnt or destroyed. Hundreds of people have been arrested or detained so far in connection with this violence. Well, this incident happened a decade ago, where an army soldier who is unarmed saved a girl from being raped by 40 men who are armed. Yes, Bishnu Shrestha was on return to his home on the train, saved a girl from 40 bandits who stopped the train in West Bengal. Bishnu remained quiet until the robbers turned their attention towards an 18-year girl and attempted to rape her in front of her parents. At this point, Bishnu couldn't tolerate anymore. He got up, drew his kurki, and attacked the robbers like a brave Gurkha soldier. He caught hold of the woman's attacker and used him as a human shield. After that, he killed 3 thieves and severely injured 8 others. The robbers then left running away. After this incident, Vishnu had a serious blade injury on his left hand, but that did not stop him from ensuring the safety of passengers around him. The entire episode was just over in 20 minutes. And for me, this seriously appeared like Magadera movie. And then comes this version of Indians. A 14-year-old girl was repeatedly raped by a man, allegedly after making her drink juice laced with sedatives in an orphanage in Aminpur. Died while undergoing treatment at Nilafur Hospital early on Wednesday. According to police, the child was repeatedly raped by Venugopal, a donor, to the orphanage, as a result of which she started suffering from health problems. These are few examples which I have taken just to say that good and bad exist in the same land. We should decide which side of Indian we want to be. When we realize that fighting for any cause is not just reposting a post which our favorite celebrity posts on the social media. When whole India unitedly fights for any topic, like the way we are fighting for Sushant Singh Rajput's justice, we truly step towards the enlightenment. Gandhiji said that when a woman walks safely in midnight, that day our country achieves the freedom. But I have an amendment. I say freedom is achieved. Regardless of gender, any person could speak about their exploitations they are facing. Even the equality should be given to the men, because there are already a stereotype of set of rules which are indulged into their brains start from their birth. To women to achieve their freedom in their career. To the trans people not to get sexually exploited and get an equal respect in the society. When caste doesn't come into your education system, when financial status doesn't decide your respect, that day we truly achieve our freedom. And I say we can easily achieve it. Because the so-called developed countries who are having a very less youth rate and are depending on us, the people who are going there and serving their country, when they are utilizing our resources, just imagine the country. In this overpopulated country also, there is 50% who is less than 30 years. And if all comes into one place and takes the pledge of which Indian we want to be, that result I am leaving to your imagination. Hey comrades, if you agree my view of what freedom is, please do like, share and subscribe to Purus Quarantia.